Let's be honest. Finding the best all-inclusive resorts in Cancun for families in 2026 shouldn't feel like solving a high-stakes puzzle.
You need activities that keep the kids entertained without driving you crazy,
Accommodations that don't break the bank.
and at least a few moments where you actually feel like you're on vacation too.
The good news? Cancun's family-friendly all-inclusive resorts have cracked the code. These properties understand that a successful family trip means happy kids and relaxed parents, and they've designed every detail with that balance in mind. From epic water parks that'll have your children begging to stay just 5 more minutes, to kids clubs that give you guilt-free spa time. These 10 resorts represent the best of what Cancun offers families in 2026. Let's dive in and find your perfect match.
When your kids live for adventure, some children aren't satisfied with a simple pool. They want slides, splash pads, and non-stop action. These resorts were built for those high-energy families.
Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun is basically a water park that happens to have hotel rooms attached. And what a water park it is. One of the Caribbean's largest, featuring lazy rivers and dozens of slides that'll keep your kids occupied for days. With 1,005 suites spread across the property, you'll have plenty of space. And the 12 restaurants mean you'll never hear "I don't like this food" complaints. Beyond the water features, there's bowling, laser tag, and an indoor trampoline park for rainy days. The pirate-themed playground is perfect for younger children, while the kids club gives parents breathing room to hit the spa or simply lounge by one of the many pools. The 24-hour all-inclusive plan is a game changer when someone inevitably gets hungry at odd hours.
Crown Paradise Club Cancun takes the adventure theme seriously with its pirate ship aquapark complete with a castle and 9 dedicated kids slides. What makes this place special is how thoughtfully they've designed the family suites. Each one includes a king bed for parents plus a bunk bed annex that sleeps 3 children. It's like having a mini apartment. The resort runs 2 supervised programs, Kids Paradise for ages 4 to 12 and Baby Paradise for the littlest travelers. This means you can actually take turns enjoying that beach massage or romantic dinner while knowing your kids are having the time of their lives with crafts, games, and the always popular mini disco.
Seadust Cancun Family Resort brings Treasure Island to life. And we're not talking about a themed corner of the pool. This is a complete kids' water park right on the property, featuring a pirate-themed slide castle, splash pads, and a miniature pirate ship that makes every child feel like a swashbuckler. The resort doesn't stop there. 3 infinity pools, including 1 blissfully adults only, for when you need it, a zipline course, nightly stage shows, and even a toddler-focused baby club ensure there's literally never a dull moment. Their motto is limitless fun at all times, and they're not exaggerating. Daily pool games and treasure hunts keep the energy high.
For classic beach and pool family fun. Not every family needs extreme slides and pirate ships. Sometimes the best vacation is simply great beach access, good pools and activities that bring everyone together. Hyatt Ziva Cancun has earned its reputation as a Cancun family classic for good reason. Built on a narrow peninsula and surrounded by turquoise Caribbean waters, the location alone is spectacular. 3 infinity pools, 8 restaurants, and 7 bars, including a beachside microbrewery for the adults, create variety without overwhelming you. What families really appreciate is how the resort caters to every age group. Younger kids love the water play area and kids club, teens hang out in their own lounge, and parents indulge in ocean view dining and spa treatments. The palatial family suites feature balconies with stunning views, and some even offer swim-up access. During the day, kids can canoe, treasure hunt, or splash to their heart's content, while evenings bring quiet romantic dinners for parents. It's luxurious without being stuffy.
Sunscape Cancun Resort and Spa puts that beautiful white sand hotel zone beach front and center. Their unlimited funner package lives up to its name with a pirate ship splash park, supervised explorers kids club, and a separate space for teens who are too cool for the little kids activities. The outdoor pool area centers around that pirate ship slide that children absolutely love, while parents can join beach volleyball games or simply relax at one of the multiple open-air restaurants. Everything is included 24/7, which means no mental math at mealtimes or worrying about snack costs adding up. The resort's philosophy is genuinely the more, the merrier. Perfect for big family groups. Dream Sands Cancun Resort and Spa proves you don't have to sacrifice sophistication for family friendliness. This Dreams property sits on a gorgeous broad beach and delivers unlimited luxury. Think 24-hour room service, a massive 12,000 square foot spa, and gourmet dining across more than a dozen restaurants. The Explorers Club for ages 3 to 12 runs daily supervised activities, giving parents freedom while kids make friends over crafts and games. Families can try kayaking, bounce on the ocean trampoline, catch evening shows together, or just float peacefully in the expansive pool. As one parent noted, the hardest decision at Dream Sands is choosing which activity to try first. Cooking classes, snorkeling, beach games, it's all there. When entertainment is everything, Hard Rock Hotel Cancun might surprise you. Yes, it's famous for live music and nightlife, but it's also genuinely family-oriented. The Rock City Kids Club offers what they call endless entertainment with themed days, arts and crafts, games, and even music lessons. Your kids could literally form a band during vacation. The enormous pool deck hosts splash contests, movie nights under the stars, and arcade games that keep everyone engaged. When evening arrives, families gather for magic shows or beach concerts. It's definitely one of the more energetic options on this list, perfect for families who want to rock out and play hard rather than seek tranquility.
For families who want it all. Some resorts simply excel at doing everything well. Water features, beach access, dining variety, and that special touch that makes everyone feel pampered. Grand Fiesta Americana Coral Beach Cancun frequently tops lists of Cancun's finest family-friendly luxury resorts, and one visit explains why. All 602 suites offer oceanfront views, but the real star is the cutting-edge Coral Kidsy Club for ages 3 to 12. This isn't your average playroom. We're talking cityscape play zones, a Mayan temple slide, and an actual glass-bottom tunnel over a jungle canopy. After kids exhaust themselves, and they will, parents retreat to the award-winning spa or savor exceptional dining at 5 restaurants, including a gourmet Mexican steakhouse and highly rated French fusion spot. The service feels almost personalized with bespoke kids' activities, personal concierge attention, and nightly entertainment that impresses even jaded teenagers. Royal Solaris Cancun doubles down on kid-friendly amenities without the luxury price tag. This beachfront property features an oceanfront pool complex cleverly divided into 3 sections, including a crucial mini water park designed specifically for children. The supervised mini club keeps kids engaged with organized games while parents soak up those Caribbean views guilt-free. Multiple casual restaurants offer buffet and kid-specific options, ensuring even picky eaters find something they'll devour. Nightly themed shows add entertainment variety, making Royal Solaris a solid choice for families seeking excellent value.
Fiesta Americana Condesa Cancun hits that sweet spot of affordability without sacrificing fun. Located right on the hotel zone's main beach stretch, it features cheerful pools, nightly kids entertainment, and the Fiesta Kids Club for ages 4 to 12. With 10 restaurants and bars offering everything from authentic Mexican tacos to pizza and ice cream, you'll never face the "there's nothing to eat" dinner drama. The newly renovated family suites provide comfortable space, while the on-site spa gives parents occasional escape. It's smart for multi-generational trips where budget matters, but nobody wants to compromise on beach access or amenities. Making your final choice. Ready to book your family's unforgettable Cancun adventure? Your perfect slice of family paradise is literally just a click away. Happy planning, and here's to making memories that'll last a lifetime.
Choosing the right resort is a massive investment. If this comparison helped you narrow down your search, hit that subscribe button for more real-world travel guides. Happy planning, and here's to a Cancun vacation that's actually worth every penny.